Begin. There are few nudities so objectionable as the naked truth. It's time. It's time to transform our lives from the ordinary that shouldn't have become normal for people like us to the life we've hoped for, dreamed about. It's time to live our hopes. Solomon said, "There's a time for everything." Everything. That means we always live in the time for something better. And now is our time. No more excuses, no more delays, no better things to do. In a voyeuristic culture, in a voyeuristic world, and in the mind game of I like to watch, it's time to do something worth watching ourselves. And we are ready. It's our time. We're ready for whatever is next, because what's next is all we've got. The past can't be changed. We can play with it or twist it, but if we try to ignore it, we will be haunted by it. It won't go away. The present, now, is ephemeral. It's worse than brief, faster than fleeting. It's timeless and seductive, and it's gone, just like that. If we listen closely, we can hear it laughing at us, mocking us. What's next is all we've got, and what's next is up to us. It's time. Our time. This is the truer truth.